Good morning, good morning, good morning, America. Wakey, wakey. Have a beautiful, beautiful morning, everybody out there. God bless you guys. God bless your family, and God bless America, and God bless Mexico, folks. Ooh la la. So we are bringing you a new update this morning. We are continuing welding those bucket steel plates. This is gonna be a church. So we got about 18 bucket plates. But we gotta get elevations and then measurements. And as you guys see, we got all types of elevations and also measurements. So we got a lot of work. But we almost got done over here on this well, not really. Still we gotta do six more plates and we'll be done. We're gonna try to get it done tomorrow, maybe by right on the evening. But I will see. We'll see what happens. All right. So I'll keep you updated, guys. Like I say, God bless you guys. God bless your family, and God bless Mexico, and God bless America, folks. We got 2 suitcases. Woo, better than a stick, of course. A ver, Oscar. Se cayó. Beautiful. See? Flaco. Beautiful. No stick. A stick takes forever. No good. No bueno. Flux score, babies. Let's go, Oscar. No, nomás quítalo y púlelo, mi rey. Let's go. Keep going, fellas. Keep going. Woo.